The much anticipated second rake of air-conditioned EMU local for Mumbai Suburban Railways finally entered Mumbai on 27th of February 2019. The rake is manufactured by Medha Servo Drives Private Limited and the Integral Coach Factory Chennai under the Make in India initiative. The rake will serve for Western Railways division of Mumbai Suburban section, as like the first air-conditioned rake did. This will result in the increased frequency of air-conditioned services in Mumbai, which might also extend to the weekends. The new EMU rake is based on the design of newly introduced Vande Bharat Express or the Train 18, having underslung equipments which makes this local possible to have all the 12 coaches internally connected through vestibules, unlike the first rake which has 2 sets of 6 coaches internally connected. The Central Railway is expected to get a similar air-conditioned rake soon. Till then, enjoy the video and also riding in both the modern trains of Mumbai Suburban Railway.